Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common issue many Roblox players face, figuring out if a Roblox is down or if the problem is on your end. If you've been having trouble with Roblox and aren't sure what's going on, this quick guide is for you. According to a recent comment on the Roblox developer forum, a programmer mentioned that Roblox group configurations and Roblox Studio are currently inaccessible because they're down. Additionally, an article by Harvey Hisona outlines several possible reasons why Roblox might be experiencing issues. There are a few common reasons why Roblox might suddenly stop working for you. Maintenance and technical issues are usually to blame. Sometimes, Roblox servers are taken down for bug fixes or maintenance, and other times, outages might be the cause. Generally, server problems don't last longer than 24 hours, so the best approach is to be patient. However, if you are having trouble with Roblox while your friends aren't, or if there are no known server issues, the problem might be on your end. Here are a few things to check. First, app or device issues. Sometimes, the issue is with the Roblox app or the device you're using. For example, if you're having trouble logging into Roblox via a web browser, but there are no reported server issues, the problem could be related to the browser or your internet connection. Second, connection problems. If your friends can play but you're having trouble connecting, this might indicate a connection issue. Look out for error messages like couldn't connect or could not connect, or any specific error codes. Connection issues can stem from a variety of factors, including your internet connection, firewall settings, Wi-Fi signal, or browser problems. If you suspect Roblox might be down, here are 3 easy methods to check the status of Roblox servers. First, visit the official Roblox website. The most reliable way to check if the Roblox services are down by visiting the official Roblox status page. Go to status.roblox.com to see if any service disruptions are affecting your game or server. Second thing that you can do is to check Roblox social media. Roblox keeps its players informed through various social media channels. Check their official accounts for updates on service interruptions and other important factors. Third thing you can do is to use third-party websites if you prefer. You can use third-party websites like Down Detector, or Is It Down Right Now, or Services Down without spaces to check Roblox's status. Just search for Roblox is down on Google to find these resources. So there you have it, 3 simple ways to determine if Roblox is down or if the issue is with your setup. Hopefully this guide helps you get back to gaming quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you.